Bro, you ready for this?
We fix screens, what you got? History. In a velvet pouch? Sure.
Original vintage collector's item.
That's a Nokia from a dumpster.
Built-in folding technology, $800.
800 for a phone that plays Snake?
Snake was the original app store, bro.
Luxury privacy. No GPS, no tracking.
That's called a broken phone.
No social media, finding your ex at 2 a.m.
Bro, that's just called having no friends.
Battery lasts 5 days.
Because it does absolutely nothing.
My tío used this phone to run 3 businesses.
3 businesses? On a flip phone?
And still ignore everyone's calls.
Okay, that's actually kind of impressive.
Survived quinceañeras, construction sites, 1 washing machine.
The washing machine did more damage than the quinceañeras.
You see this charger? Universal.
Oh no, don't do this!
Somewhere in every Mexican house, there is a drawer with this charger.
I'm not gonna lie, my abuela has that exact drawer.
See? This is culture. This is heritage.
Actually, you take trades?
Oh no, what else you got?
Mint condition Poger, 1998. Be still my heart.
A Poger? You want to trade a Poger?